In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a camping stove here. This is called the FineFlame camping stove, and this one has the auto ignition, the removable tray at the bottom. It's got several burners along it. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing here for you guys and let you check it out. Fairly well packaged. One of these inserts. I got a little fire going back here, so that's going to all get burned. And then we have the actual stove. That looks like that's pretty much everything. It takes these little 1 pound propane canisters. You have the FineFlame logo on top, check that out. So it looks like it's kind of like a shiny black finish on it. Has a very premium look to it. So you undo these two latches, open it up here, you kind of see what you get here. If you want to toast some bread or something, that's what that tray does. That has a little grill right there. And that's a handle, and that will slide up under here like that. So that's what that does. This is the piece that the propane tank's gonna screw into, is over here on this side. Slide that in right there, tighten that down, and then screw this on. And it looks like pretty much that's all there is to it. Now it's just lighting it up. So we'll put the instructions aside. Guys, one thing I wanted to mention was I did put these little legs. There's two little legs that hold this on. Make sure you put those on when you lift it up. They are kind of hidden down in there. You can't really see them that well, but it's pretty easy to kind of like lean back on that and then slide them into place. So let's go ahead and light this up now. You want to turn this counterclockwise. There we go. We got some flame. This is called the FineFlame. All right, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually put a little oil in there. Just a dab will do. So I've got my thermometer tester here. I'm at 445 right now, 505. So it's already at 527 in that corner. So it's at almost 600 degrees in about that amount of time. And you can adjust the flame control, so I don't have to run like wide open like that. I can lower it down. I would say about right there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is a flame on there. Oh yeah, listen to that fry. Can you see that melting the cheese right there? So it is working under there. That's what surprises me the most, having this little toaster under here. I got little sausage patties here. We're gonna put all these on there. So I can see that it gets hotter in the back than it does the front. So it looks like you wanna rotate these around after a little bit or you'll just burn the back side. So what I did, I took the toast out and turned it around. Oh yeah, check that out. That actually worked really well. I'm impressed. So it did make some toast for us. Good job on that. Good job, FineFlame. So yeah, I'll go over the specs real quick. This thing comes in a little around 10 pounds when it's just like it is. And it's about 2 feet. Actually, these are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. So it's about 2 foot wide by, it looks about like 15 inches wide this way. Easily to break down, easily to assemble. You can take this grate out for cleaning. I think this will be great for anybody that just wants something small and light. You can put in an RV, slide it maybe back in the back of a truck somewhere and do on about every camping trip. All right, everybody, that's all I got today on the FineFlame cooking stove. This is gonna be one of these items that I'm gonna pretty much take on about every camping trip that I go on from this point on. Very easy to set up, cooks extremely fast. Everything looked really good on it. So yeah, that's all I got today on the FineFlame cooking stove. Let's get out of here. Let's go eat. Woo!